Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Aporagender means? Let's explore. Aporagender is a gender identity that is separate from male, female, or anything in between, distinct from non-binary. It is an identity that exists outside traditional gender categories, offering a way to describe a gender experience that is entirely its own. Aporagender individuals might feel that their gender is unique, not fitting into any existing category, and they might express it in ways that are different from how society typically understands gender. This term reflects the diversity of gender experiences and the need for language that captures identities that are not adequately described by existing terms. In essence, being Aporagender is about having a gender identity that is separate and distinct from traditional or even non-binary categories, recognizing the uniqueness of one's gender experience. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.